Welcome back to the Kazakhstan series. It's my 5th day in Almaty today. I have decided to visit a park. It's not just a park, it's a tribute to Kazakhstan's first president Nursultan Nazarbayev, and hence the name First President's Park. The park is a beautiful blend of nature and culture. Here they offer lush greenery, beautiful landscapes and a serene atmosphere. This is a public park and you will find parking zones around the park itself. I have included more details in the description below. One of the park's highlights is its musical fountain located at the entrance. This fountain is also the largest in Almaty city. They have a water light music show here during late evenings. I would suggest visiting this park during golden hour so you can get the best pictures. But if you are going to take a taxi to reach here during this hour, visiting this place would not be a good idea. Me and my team were stuck in the traffic so bad and it took forever to reach here. The park is usually crowded during the evenings. And it is a relatively large park. They say it's almost 73 hectares. There are plenty of routes to enjoy the long walks here. The park also has a road for cycling. They have maintained the flowers in the park very well. Kids and teenagers playing with electric bikes are quite common here. I did get into an accident as there were some kids who were trying this for the first time. Just make sure you keep a safe distance if you see someone using this. I would recommend you to visit here if you have a family. This park is also wheelchair accessible. If you are here late in the evening, you get to enjoy the colored lights in the park. You will find many stunning corners to explore the First President's Park. I have missed out on many since I visited here in a hurry. Did you notice that beautiful mountain backdrop? And with that, my 5th day in Almaty comes to an end. I have one last stop in this country and I'm looking forward to it. I have made the whole trip into Kazakhstan playlist. Be sure to check this if you're planning to visit this country on a budget. Make sure to share and comment on this video if you have enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to see more places that you can visit. Stay tuned for my next video as I continue to explore the beauty of Almaty. Until next time, happy travels!